All right, we have just learned some strum patterns over some songs, and we're going to go to a part now that I call bass runs. So what is a bass run? Well, a bass run is a way to connect two chords together. So for instance, if you're playing the G, going to C, back to G, that's okay. But if you connect those two chords with a run, and let me give an example. The notes that I picked in between the chords is called a run, a bass run. So let me explain that. If you refer back to your book, and we're going to be doing the G to C to G run, and this will be using the pick strum technique. Be aware you can use the alternating pick strum technique with this just as well. In fact, it will sound better, but just so you're not hearing a lot of variation there, I'm only using the pick strum technique. So here we go. Refer to your book. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, let's explain that real quick. You're going to press the blue. You're going to pick 6 string, strum, 6 string, strum, 6, strum. Then you play 5 open, press yellow, 5 again with your index finger. Go to green, 5 again, strum, 5, strum, 5, strum, yellow, open, 6, strum, 6, strum, end. That is the G to C to G run. All right, we're going to do the G to C to G run, but we're going to be using 3/4 time. Again, we're using just the pick strum technique. Keep in mind you can use the alternating pick strum technique or just the quarter strum. Works just the same. Here we go. Refer back to your book. This is the G to C to G run in 3/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 6, strum, strum, strum. 5, strum, strum, 5, strum, strum. Okay, so let me explain that real quick. What you're going to do, you're going to press the blue down, pick 6, strum, strum, 6, strum, strum, 6, strum, strum, 6 by itself, open 5, yellow 5, green 5, strum, strum, 5, strum, strum, 5, strum, strum, 5 on green, yellow 5, open 5, and then just a strum. And you can do that in a circle, by the way. You can just keep doing that over and over and over. It's really cool. Okay, on to another run. This time we're doing the G to D to G run. We'll be connecting them with a run in between each chord. So we're using, again, the pick strum technique. Now, keep in mind, you can also use the alternating pick strum technique or just the quarter strum technique. Works just as well. I'm going to play it first and then I'll explain it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, play. Pick strum. Okay, so let me explain that real quick. What you're going to do, you're going to press the blue button, your G, pick the 6th string, strum, 6, strum, 6, strum, yellow 5, green 5, and then open 4 and press the red at the same time and pick, strum, 4 open, green, yellow, 5, open 5, strum. Okay, we're to an advanced run technique, and the chord changes will be C to D to G, and each chord will be connected with a run. So as you know, your C is green, D is red, and G is blue. So let me play it first, and then I'll explain it next. Keep in mind, we're just using the pick strum technique. The alternating technique works great over this as well. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, play. That is a good run right there. Let me explain it for you. Okay, you're going to start by pressing the green, pick 5, strum, 5, strum, 5, strum, back up to yellow, 5, green 5, open 4, strum, 4, strum, open 4, green 5, yellow 5, open 5, 6, strum, 6, strum, in.